Chapter 11, Section 2. Essential question. How is water used globally and how can it be conserved? How do we use water globally? The three major uses of water are residential use, agricultural use, and industrial use. This graph over here is showing us that Europe is the only continent that uses more water for industry than for agriculture. Every other country uses more water for agriculture. How is water used in homes in the United States? 50% is used for activities inside the home, such as drinking, cooking, washing, toilet flushing. 50% is used for activities outside of the house, watering lawns, washing cars. In some areas, they have restrictions for outside use. In Cape Coral, we can only water 2 days a week at a specific time, and it goes by the last digit of your house number. On this chart over here, it's talking about daily water use in the United States per person and how many liters we use for different things. You'll notice that the most water is used for toilets. How is water used in industry? Water is used to manufacture goods. 1,000 liters of water is needed to produce 1 kilogram of aluminum. 500,000 liters of water are needed to manufacture a car. We use it to dispose of waste. We use it to generate power. Most of the water used in industry is used to cool power plants. They usually pump water from a surface water source, like a river or lake. They carry the water through pipes in a cooling tower and then pump the water back into the source. The returned water is usually warmer than the source, but it is generally clean and can be reused. Since it's warmer, it is adding thermal pollution to the water, and many plants and animals cannot survive with the change in temperature, so they die. How is water used in agriculture? About 67% of the water use in the world is for agriculture. It can take 80 gallons of water to produce 1 ear of corn. Irrigation is watering plants. As much as 80% of the water usually evaporates and never reaches the plant roots. How can water be conserved? Water conservation in agriculture. Most water loss comes from evaporation, seepage, and runoff. Drip irrigation is a way to deliver small amounts of water directly to the plant roots. Water conservation in industry. They can use salt water instead of fresh water. They can recycle the cooling and wastewater. Instead of discharging it back into the surface water that they took it from, they can reuse it. Water conservation in homes. Take shorter showers. Use low flow showers and toilets. Water lawn at night, or plant drought-resistant plants. What are some solutions for the future? Desalination, that's when you're taking the ocean water and releasing the salt. It's very expensive. So desalination is removing salt from salt water. Transporting water, that's moving water from one place to another. Low-cost solutions are constructing wells and pumps in economically disadvantaged communities. So if you install a well and a pump, it's a lot cheaper than trying to desalinate the water or to transport the water from place to place.